it's the whole body that goes, yeah. Just very simple. Palm. Yeah? So look first. Look first. Yes. Yes. Don't panic if the stick goes down. Yeah, it's absolutely normal. Yeah, that if you start to work on it, it will fall. Yeah, it's our music here. It's our internal music. We have no audience that paid for it, so it can be cacophony, no problem. Yeah, but don't get in panic. Don't. No. Keep concentration. Take the stick and do it again. Yeah. Good. Eyes all the time. That, for example, let's just demonstrate. Like, if the stick is going like this, yeah, you don't have to look at the stick because you see it. Yeah, you see both sticks while you look into each other's eyes. Yeah.
And we throw it to the left hand.
You throw to the left hand. The change comes to the right hand again, and then. So can we take can we go a step further and try this beautiful working two sticks at the same time? Yeah? Okay. Now, this hand comes with palm upwards and takes the stick. You do a turn till you can't turn anymore, and then the other hand takes over like this. You do a half turn, and then the hand comes again with palm up. Turn till you can't turn anymore. It's going right direction. Yeah? Then you take again in this position. Half turn, palm upwards. You turn till you can't turn anymore. This movement, half turn, palm upwards. Turn till you can't turn anymore. This, half turn. Turn. So it's always down. So this is the windmill. So next element is from this turning, you take the stick with the palm upwards and you turn it, and at the same time you turn yourself, and here, here, yeah, you take it over till you come here and you have it again, once again. So palm upwards, takes the stick slowly, do it slowly, down, down. Turn yourself down. And the palm upwards again here, and you continue. We are still to the right, yeah, it's possible here, and it's possible here. Yeah? It's just your right hand takes over and brings the stick under.
We change side.
And you can, when you train yourselves in the future, please always turn, turn, turn till you can't turn anymore. Yeah? Bring the upper part here to the side. Bring this part to your shoulder neck part. Now, very careful, build a little plafond here. Yeah? Breathe at gas. Facile.
You know what salt is?